Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Project Prelude. And in today's episode, we are going to install a new steering wheel. So let's get to work. Before we start, let's disengage the horn so it doesn't get into our way. I'm not good with wiring, so I removed the battery instead. Once we've done that, we can remove the old steering wheel. At the surface, it looks like you need to remove these 6 screws before you can take out the steering wheel. But at closer inspection, I realized that you actually don't have to do that. All you have to do is remove the cover from the steering. So I guess what I have to do now is to remove these wires and then remove all these screws here. I've removed the red wire first, which is connected to the spring inside the horn. Then after that, I removed the black wire as well. Once we unplug the wires, now we can start to take out the screws. Instead of using a traditional Allen key, I decided to use this electric screwdriver that I bought from Mr. DIY. It's really convenient and it's like 50 bucks, so you guys can check it out. And now, let's put in the new steering wheel and get to work. It comes with a bracket, screws and some tools. Double check to make sure I know where each wire should go. And now we can start to figure out how to install the new steering wheel. This is my first time installing a new steering wheel, so as we are watching this, I'm actually learning from trial and error. I'm also figuring out where each of the parts go. I discovered that it will be easier if you screw the steering wheel first, so when everything is in place, you can plug the wires with the horn, and that's about it. So everything fits so far, just that the horn is a little bit loose. Right guys, the new steering is in, but there's one thing like this bracket left that I don't know how to place it. For the time being, what do you guys think of the new steering? That's all for this episode guys. I'll really need some help on what this is and how do I put this on the new steering. So if you guys have some idea of like how do I use this, let me know in the comment below so that we can all learn together. I hope you guys enjoy a video like this, and there will be more to come in the future. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay with me. Let's beat the COVID with some positivity. We 28, 7, that's my personality. Let's cruise around Malaysian road to find out inner peace and learn some cultural roles. Stay with me.